Namaste, this is Vivekanand, and this is a tutorial. Uh, I have invited Chara Kelly. I hope she can join. This tutorial is about maintaining Google Sites website, and I'm going to show how to maintain Chara Kelly's website. Her website is called as The Chara Show. So let me start the process. I hope she can join. Let me invite her into the Hangout once again. Hope she can see it and join us. She may be held up due to any reason, but time is of essence, so I shall carry on. Okay, let me do a quick screen share and show you her Google Plus profile page. So this is Chara Kelly's Google Plus profile page. And I would call this, I hope you can see my mouse, as the app rack. So the process of logging into Google Sites as an administrator is going into the login, your login. In this case, logged in as Chara. Go into that, click on this. This shows up all the various apps that are available, and right now we need sites. So I click on this. This opens up, and first thing we need to do is actually take a backup of the site as it exists now. It exists like this. This is her site now. There is the about page. There is a sign up page where you can sign into her fan club. There is an episodes page where there are two videos of her episodes, two of her episodes so far. There is also a show calendar where she would be showing, uh, sharing her calendar of events to come. Various topics that she would be discussing, she would be putting the various topics here. Visitors to the website can use this wish list and enter their name, email address, and whatever they want Chara to make a show on. They can add their wish into the wish list. If they want to be a guest on her show, they can click on this, be my guest. Again, fill in this form, and then Chara would be inviting them depending on the availability, suitability, etc., etc. So that is what her website is at the moment. So first thing, as I said, in website is maintenance. You need to maintain a backup. So there are already two backups of our website. That's the website. So how did I get here? I got here by clicking on this and sites. When I click that sites, this is what it shows up. So let me click on this. This is the current website. So that's what it shows. This is the administrative screen. Normal public will not see this screen. They will not see this top row. So we need to take a backup. So come here, click on this gear wheel, scroll down to manage site. So click on that, manage site. That shows up all these various things. You can change all these things. But now what we need is to take a backup. So that is here. Copy this site. So give it a name, backup on 6th March 2015 and click on this copy button. So it takes a bit of time, few seconds. It is creating the backup. So it has created the backup. So as you can see here, it says backup on 6th March at the top of the window. So that's what that is. So if we close this and refresh this, it, it shows up here. So backup has been taken. So that's the first item on the agenda, which is logging into Chara's website as administrator using the app rack and then take a backup. So the first item is done. Item 2, create a new page. So to do that, let's go to the website as it is now. So we would be adding a new page into this. So that's why a backup was taken. So if something goes wrong during this process, we can go back to the backup. That's the whole idea. Okay. So now need to create a new page. I would click on this icon which says create page. When I click on that, it would ask me the name of the page that you want to create. Let us say blog, and can put the page at the top level and hit create. It creates a blank page with the blog as the heading. So there it is. Now we need to add some text. So we need to add some text. So to do that, scroll up or take your mouse to the insert option here. Click on insert. Insert a text box. So text box. So blog on 6th March 2015. So whatever Chara wants to do, she can key in here whatever blog she wants to create. She can create blog by simply typing in here. Let me show. So this is my first blog. Can insert an image if she wants. Let's say an image, upload some image. Let's see, do I have any images for Chara? Um, I had a few. Let us see where they are gone. Okay, let's put this image. It uploads. It's a fairly high resolution. It's nearly meg high. Nearly there. Okay, it has uploaded that. We need a text, um, alternate text. So you can change that if she wants. So that would be the image. A couple of things to be done here need to be large size, and these two will mean this wrap off means the text would not wrap around this image. It would be a separate one. So if you say wrap, the text whatever is there would appear next to that image. Let's do that. So that would be the blog page created. If we save it, we can see the result in a minute. There it is. So now the next item is um, to add a YouTube video onto the website. We can insert a YouTube video here. So let me show you how to do that here. I click here so that it appears on this part of the screen here. I would need to look for a YouTube video which has Chara in it. Uh, this is already there. Okay. Okay. Let's look at this video. So this is a video interview she was featured in. So we can insert this video, copy this link from the top of the browser window, copy that, Control C, come to this is the editor window again. I come to insert, I say YouTube, I copy that, paste that URL here, and if I say save, that would appear there. Again, I can make it wrap around so that it comes side by side. So that is the YouTube video embedding. Let me look at her Google Plus shares, and let's include this. Let's embed this on the website. To do that, it has to be shared publicly. Only then it will be possible to embed it. I need to go to the Google Plus share, which is publicly shared. I need to look at the time. I need to place my mouse on top of the time and right click, not left click, but right click. I right click, then it pops, shows me these different options. I need to say copy link address, copy the link address. I come back to the edit window and come here, insert. I can come to Google Plus here, one of the options, Google Plus post, click on that. That brings up this. Now I need to paste. And click on OK. There it will be. So at the moment, these three will appear as three white boxes. The moment I say save, it saves it, and then you would see the result. So that is the result. So there is a scroll bar. You can scroll down to look at the Google Plus post. People have commented on this page, so you can see all those comments here. By clicking on that, any visitor will be able to look at all these comments and comment on the Google Plus post, and then but they would necessarily have to have a Google Plus identity. So that is item 2 on the agenda. So what I have done so far is I have created a new page. I have inserted some text. I inserted this text here, which I'm highlighting there. Then I looked for a YouTube video where Chara Kelly is involved so that I can insert the YouTube link. I have inserted YouTube link. Then third item, third part to the same item, agenda item, I have also insert inserted a Google Plus post into this page. So now the page is ready, but this is will not be visible on the website yet, because there is the third item in the agenda today. Third item is need to make this page that we just created visible on the menu. So to do that, come back to the edit screen, click on more actions here on this gear wheel, drop down, come to edit site layout. In the previous instance, I went to manage site and took the backup, but now I'm doing edit site, click on that. Now it top of the window here, it says click on the parts of your site you want to edit. So this is editing the layout, not the content. Please make note of that. At this point, I'm editing the layout. I'm not actually editing the content. So I need to edit the layout of this horizontal navigation. So I click on that. So this pops up, configuring the navigation menu. So I need to add the page which I just created. So that's what I'm going to do now. Add page. So this window pops up. I need to look for the page which I just created, which is here, blog. I click on that and then say OK. It would appear at the bottom here. I need to move it somewhere up, let us say. So I click on up arrow. It goes one step up, another step up, goes up. I think that is about right. It would show up between show calendar and topics. It would appear between show calendar and topics. It would appear between show calendar and topics. It would appear here. Okay. When I do click on OK here, and it appears here. Now I need to close this edit window. Only then it actually appears on the website. So close. So now if I refresh this, I'm showing her website, and this I have logged in as a normal public. I'm not an administrator here. So click on refresh. There it is. This is the new page. That is the new page. So that concludes the tutorial. That concludes the agenda item that I have. And I have covered 3 agenda items. Okay. I have not heard anything at all from Chara. I wonder whether she has not been able to see the message, or she has not been able to uh, come into this hangout for some reason. Uh, in any case, I shall make this tutorial available to her and probably put a link, embed this YouTube on her website under, maybe I showed during the tutorial itself, I showed embedding a YouTube. I would do the same for this very tutorial. So that would appear as another uh, YouTube video on the same page. I created a blog page. I would insert this also there after I hit stop broadcast and close this hangout. So let me try once again to invite her to see if she can join. She cannot, or if she doesn't join us, then I would have to close the hangout for today. Let me try again. I have posted the invitations. I think this would be the third time I'm sending her the invite. So if she's not able to join, um, she would not be able to join. So I won't be able to do anything about that. Let us wait a few seconds. I would give her about 30 seconds. In the meanwhile, let me, rather than simply rambling on, let me go and edit the page that I just created. And let me try to add the YouTube, this YouTube there. Okay. Copy the YouTube link. Um, Edit. Okay, so that you can see it. I am doing the screen share. Um, okay, let's put this next to the Google Plus post. Insert YouTube, that, and save. Now, uh, this is that. Now we need. Okay, there is a bit of a problem with the layout. I need to rearrange this. So, okay, edit again. I think I need to put this YouTube there. Uh, okay. Sometimes it doesn't do what we want it to do. So we have to use a few tricks. Okay, now I should be able to do that. Bring that. After that, now let me make these two wrap around, wrap around, wrap around, and wrap around. So the three videos, one photo, one YouTube video, another YouTube video, and Google Plus post. I haven't heard from her at all, so I guess she is not able to join. So I would have to wrap up this tutorial, and hope it has been useful for anybody who is watching this. So um, I have now embedded this tutorial on the charashow.com website. So people would be able to see this tutorial, and hope it will be useful. Um, Thanks for watching, and my last words always are: integrate, simplify life. Thank you. Bye.